Yeah, just now, this is the next section where we talk about. You want to add anything to this? So we cover the numbers part. So anybody has any questions on the numbers?
Actually, I do, because I think the internet population in the country today is, okay, through various sources, about 45 odd million, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you're saying in the last 1 year, there are 20 million active users at the same time.
Yeah.
So is it, in the sense saying that there is a consumption increase within the 45 million?
It's both.
It's both.
Definitely both. It can't be just together.
So what is the compounded annual growth rate of these users every year?
As a it's like very varied. I mean,
if you take it on the total base of the country.
If I make any statement, in 2 months' time, that means I get tendency, because even Facebook compounding at 20% is actually an average compounding that I do. If you look at last month, has been 45.
This is used in 1 month, right? This is used in 1 month. Anytime logged in 1 month. Is that the figure? Because I'm just trying to think.
Yeah, when you say active, it means once if you do somebody, then that guy is like, screwed because not even able to do it to him. So Facebook started off like a kind of a bulletin board that time, where you could put up your stuff and everyone could see it. And in just 5 years, because I don't know, $150 billion, making the 5th largest US company on valuation basis. It's not reality because they are not talking about it. So this is a valuation that's happening. And this $150 billion valuation actually came with Microsoft when they wanted to buy a stake in Facebook. They paid heaps of cash, and all they could afford was 1.6% stake. Microsoft, the biggest giant investor out there, could afford this 1.6% stake. Growth in India was fueled by lack of privacy reasons and Orkut. That was the number one reason when people started migrating on Orkut, because anybody could come and scrap on your wall, and you don't know the guy, you see your profile. It was really bad. I mean, they've fixed a lot of things now, the new Orkut, but it was really bad. So your entire profile, your friends, your scraps, everything was viewed by everybody. So a lot of people didn't like that. They moved to Facebook for that. International footprint. So a lot of young guys or the earlier doctors constantly have friends that are going abroad. Okay, they're constantly going to Singapore, US, or UK, Australia, and Facebook was really picked up out there before picked up in India. So they were on Facebook, and for them suddenly Orkut became uncool, also inconvenient, because why do you have 2 social networks? So they were active on Facebook, and obviously a lot of people just followed. I remember when I was a touch with my friends, I actually moved to Facebook because I was like, there's no use of being on Orkut because they all are there. So I actually moved to Facebook and I was active there. And the war, the most happening thing about Facebook, the war, the news feed today, as you call it, or the live feed that's going to happen tomorrow. The entire thing of getting information in one place from friends, from information sources, from brands, everything in one place, in one feed, is something that really made Facebook huge.